As we know, DPF can effectively reduce the emission of soot particles. It first captures the particulate matter in the exhaust gas, and then oxidizes and combusts the captured particulate matter. Regenerate DPF. Regeneration means that the particulates captured by the DPF gradually increase to a certain level, which will cause the engine back pressure to increase, resulting in a decrease in engine power. Over time, blockage gets hardened like cement deep inside a DPF honeycomb hole. Therefore, it is necessary to periodically remove the particulate matter deposited in a DPF mesh to restore the filtering performance of the DPF. Therefore, a single water washing wand or chemical liquid cannot clean the blockage completely. The only way and best way to clean the hardened ash blocks to warm water softens and uses high-pressure air attack them head-on. KingCar DPF 6.0, the unique technologies which using high-pressure air in the high-pressure gas storage tank is released instantaneously. Using the top water of the air, the compressed water is generated to generate potential energy, and the blockage inside the honeycomb carrier is pushed out instantly. Simply, it is water flushing and high-pressure purging alternate work. Besides, KingCar DPF cleaning agent is certified by SGS International Authority. The cleaning agent does not contain heavy metals and has no pollution to the environment. So, our DPF 6.0 can clean DPF 100% and designed for heavy-duty trucks. The entire process of cleaning the post-processor is carried out inside the fully enclosed one equipment, which will not cause secondary pollution to the environment. 8 kg air pressure can split instantly residues and precious metals. Besides, from the HD wireless waterproof camera, let the cleaning process visible by your mobile phone. Fully automatic inner loop cleaning system. Short cleaning time, saving customers time. Only need 16 minutes cleaning for one DPF. Then put it in a 220 degrees centigrade dry workroom. Will let your DPF dry in 30 minutes. You can install it in your truck immediately. As soon as our DPF 6.0 appear on the market, we have received many orders from our old customers, such as from Korea, Spain, India, and so on. After you, being our distributor, there will be 4 professional team service: marketing department, sales department, technologies department, and our after-selling service department. We will provide a set of business solutions to help you be successful. We are looking for you to join us.